I'm out here on my balcony in Thailand, and I'm getting ready to make absolutely the best smoked chicken with bacon and cheese grilled sandwiches. You're going to love them. They're fantastic, really easy to make, and if you're on a budget, this is the way to go. Absolutely fantastic. Check this out. I'm going to start out by using some butter. We're going to butter up our bread. Now I'm using wheat bread here that I buy in the local grocery store. A loaf of bread here is kind of expensive. It's about $1 a loaf, and the loaves are only about 3/4 the size of the loaves that we have in the U.S. But it's good bread. There's nothing wrong with that. This butter I'm using, it's from New Zealand, and I buy the butter at an expat store here in the Pattaya area, and it's Siam-Buri, I think that's how you say it, and they just do a fantastic job at getting all the comfort items, I should say, for expats here in Thailand. So it's really nice. I let the butter sit out, and I was hoping it was going to be more spreadable than what it is. But a lot of times I leave it out for all day. Kind of what my mom taught me back when I was in the U.S. So anyway, I know when I was studying to be a chef, we always had butter sitting out as well. And apparently you can leave it out for several days, but I always put mine in the refrigerator because you just never know what's flying around. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to finish slicing up our smoked chicken. Now I buy this at a local delicatessen, it's Foodland here in Pattaya, and they do a great job. I would suggest just going to your local delicatessen and see if they have smoked chicken breast. Try to get it about as thin as you can. We have cheddar cheese here. This is California cheddar cheese, straight from the States, as well as this mozzarella, and that comes from Wisconsin, I believe. I went ahead and preheated my skillet, and I'm using an induction stovetop 2-burner. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. I have it set at 6. Feels a little hot. I'll turn it down to 5. And we'll get these here grilling up nice. Now we want to be careful. We don't want to burn these. Lunch, or even dinner for that fact. I like it so much. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of cheddar cheese, a little bit more. All right. And then we're going to add our chicken to it. Put a smaller piece in there for that side in there. We don't care if it's hanging over or not. It just makes it better. All right. Now I'm going to add a little bit of Swiss cheese here. And just a little bit of extra Swiss cheese that I had left over. And I love the taste of a really strong Swiss cheese. Now we're going to top it off with a couple pieces of bacon. You know, somebody told me one time, bacon goes with everything. Throw that on there. That looks really good. Looks fantastic. Let's get these babies turned over. Oh man, look at that side. Really looks great. Turn that about right. Watch it and kind of keep turning it to make it golden brown on all sides. Okay, our grilled smoked chicken and bacon sandwiches are just about done. Oh, that wine is so good. Let's see how these are looking. Oh yeah, it's toasty like I like them. Set this down on the cutting board. They smell so good. So good. It's just great. Cut these. I'm gonna cut them into halves, corner to corner. Right on through there. Oh, cheese is melting. That chicken is just juicy. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to eat this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my. This is something that's easy. Cost me about 200 baht. What's that? 200 baht is approximately $6 or so in the US. $6.50, something like that. And quick and easy. Of course, I was making a video here, so it took a little bit more time. Now, if you want to see some more videos like this, please subscribe. If you like the video, please like it. I enjoy making these videos and telling you all about my condo and my life, and how great retirement is here in Pattaya, Thailand. So please subscribe, please like, share if you have some friends that you think they would like it, and comment. Let me know what I can do better.